lamb leg I got at Malabar Meats Gourmet. Thanking the folks at Malabar Meats Gourmet. You can get any meat you want. Yeah, and fresh, nice. So this lamb, I literally just salt, pepper. As you see, I rub it down with some green seasonings. And I really just want to sprinkle a little olive oil because I am going to slow roast this. The real flavor of this dish is rosemary. There's something about rosemary and lamb that works together. Rosemary goes really well because rosemary is a strong, earthy flavor, real pungent, real nice, and it penetrates the lamb meat. And when the lamb cooks in the oven and gets nice and soft and tender, and the rosemary flavor penetrates, heavenly. So I doing is just getting some rosemary sprigs in there, and you just want about 3 to 4 sprigs. Yeah, that's gonna just kind of get all nice and rosemary-ish in there. 2 cups of beef stock, and you pour it in there. All I'm doing here very quickly is slitting some holes in my lamb, and I have some extra garlic. So rosemary and garlic, also a match made in heaven. Lamb, perfect little trinity. Yeah, what was it? Threesome and trinity. Garlic in there. Let's stick to the script, Joel. Four to 6 hours, low, slow, 275 to 300 degrees maximum. I just want this to come on this cutting board here like that. Lamb,